Grabe talaga. Super yummy. Oh, you see? Oh, you see? Oh, that is really papaya. Oh, Tita, she give for me. Oh, you see? Oh. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Thank you, Tita. Talaga as in. Sa wakas, nakakain ng papaya. Sa wakas, thank you, Tita Andido. And now we have there the home plants for inborn. Oh, inborn. Indoor. You see? Ayan. It's papaya. I make it video so I hear outside. Nakit kam ang car ni Sarah. So I make a video now at night. Oh, you see? It's very clean here. Because the car, it's not yet come. Same as usual. This one. They put the net para yung mga sa ayan nga, sa sobrang init kaya tingnan mo. Pag winter yan ako, ang ganda-ganda talaga yan pag winter. Ayan yung meow meow. Ang meow 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 meow. Meow 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 yan, ang meow 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 meow. So mag-video tayo dito. Habang wala pa yung andyan small. Nandiyan na yung mga bata lumabas. Lumabas na yung mga bata. Naglabasa na, nagtingin sa mga meow-meow. Tingnan, tinitingnan nila yung meow-meow. Tinitingin sila sa meow-meow. Oh, diri balik. Be careful. Hello. Ayan. Diba? Ayan ang mga tanim. Gano'n asikaso yung small garden ni Jido. Small garden ni Jido. Okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.